All right, this is the second type of special right triangle that we're going to talk about, 30, 60, 90 triangles that also have a very nice pattern to them, like our 45, 45, 90s. A couple things that we got to talk about first, and things that we have to recall from first semester. Remember when we have a 30-degree angle, and it's the smallest angle in the triangle, the side that's across from that angle is also going to be the smallest side. So we're going to call that X. The side that's across from the right angle, otherwise known as the hypotenuse, is always going to be twice that measure. So if X was, say, 5, then the hypotenuse would be 10. And then the side that's across from the 60-degree angle is going to be X root 3. So this side would be 5 root 3, okay, if those were our measurements. So something that you just got to memorize is that across from the 30-degree angle is the smallest side, so that's X. The hypotenuse is the longest side at 2 times X, and then the last side is X root 3. Okay, and with all the practice, you'll start to memorize that. Okay? All right, so let's take a look at this. So same idea as the 45, 45, 90s. In the very beginning, I'm just going to label all the sides of my triangle that I have. So across from the 30 is going to be X, the hypotenuse is going to be 2X, and then across from the 60 is X root 3. So I'm going to first set what I have equal to each other. So X root 3 equals 4 root 3. I'm going to divide by root 3. So X equals 4. So now I have this other side of the right angle to be 4. And then I'm going to, since X is 4, I'm going to put that in for the hypotenuse. So the hypotenuse is 8. All right, let's keep going. Again, I've got X on the hypotenuse, whoops, not X, 2X on the hypotenuse, X across from the 30, and then X root 3 across from the 60. Okay, so this time I know the hypotenuse, I know 2X, so I'm going to say 2X equals 12, divide by 2, so X equals 6, so this leg is going to be 6, and then I'm going to put it in for this X here. So this side is going to be 6 root 3. Okay. Couple more. So across from the 30, this is going to be X. This side is going to be X root 3. And the hypotenuse is always going to be a 2X. So this time I know the X root 3. So I'm going to set that equal to 3. Divide by root 3. And yes, you have to get the root out of the denominator. So you're going to have to multiply the top and the bottom. And this will just simplify into root 3. So X equals root 3, which means this side is root 3. And this side is going to be 2 root 3, because we're multiplying 2 times the value of X. And since X is root 3, it's 2 root 3. All right, last one here. You've got across from the 30 is X, across from the 60 is X root 3, and this guy is 2X. So since I know this side, I'm going to say 2X equals 10 root 3, divide by 2, X equals 5 root 3. So this is 5 root 3, and then for this side here, I'm going to take 5 root 3 times root 3, which is 5 root 9, which gives me 15 for this final side. Okay, so those are 30, 60, 90s.